Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Gel coated in beautiful gray hull sides. This boat is truly a jack of all trades. It's comfortable inshore, family cruising, inshore fishing, and light offshore duty. You can see it has a automatic windlass with a through stem anchor, hardtop with life jacket storage and rod holders. So we'll hop on up and board the vessel, take a closer look. You'll see she's powered by twin 225 Mercury Verado outboards. And stepping on board, we'll see a showcase of so many integrated features that Boston Whaler's very well known for. First of all, being the comfortable flip-up seat, which accommodates 3 adults, and it easily converts to the rear casting platform, rod holders behind. Moving to the leaning post, you see the live well with sink, Yeti cooler down beneath, and one of the great features is the swim step. This folds out and actually has a boarding ladder that goes off the rear side of it. Moving to the helm, you can see plenty of dash room for integrated flush mount electronics, fusion stereo. Twin helm seats with flip-up bolsters. Do have a large console with a head inside. Moving forward, you'll first notice the large sun pad for very comfortable forward-face seating with armrests. And another great feature of this boat is the storage integrated underneath. Rod storage, integrated bucket holders, plenty of storage for anything you need to bring on board. That's very easily accessible. Front cushions actually can store in the head. There's plenty of room in there. Do have flip-up backrests too to provide comfortable forward-facing seating. And again, the electric windlass. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman from MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. Feel free to stop by, take a look at this boat or any others in closer detail, or call me up and schedule a demo. Thank you very much and have a good day.